Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
China's gold reserves rose to 73.61 million fine troy ounces at the end of February, as the central bank kept buying the precious metal for a fourth straight month. China's gold reserves were valued at $208.64 billion at the end of last month, up from $206.53 billion at the end of January. The US dollar dropped to multi-month lows against the euro and yen, and fell versus most currencies to end last week, after data showed the labour market in the world's largest economy slowed last month, creating fewer jobs than expected. The Federal Reserve will head into its March 18-19 policy meeting, with the labour market strong overall, but showing some potential early signs of weakening, a development that could put the US central bank in a tough spot if inflation remains high and the Trump administration's tariffs add to price pressures.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.